Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you track Amazon order with tracking ID. Now, this is going to be straightforward, so let's have it. So I have here a sample of an Amazon tracking ID, and one thing to remember is you cannot track an Amazon order without an Amazon account. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open up Amazon app. Now, once you are in here, you can go ahead and tap on the three bars on the lower right corner of your screen and tap on your orders. So right here, you will see the list of the orders that you've placed in Amazon. You can tap on one of them. And here you can see the details of your delivery. And if you scroll down to the very bottom, you will be able to see your tracking ID. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.